Real hot girl. And if the beat live, you know Lil Juke made it. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy, curvy, wavy, beat. Yeah.
The following message is to Houston Police Department. There are many reports this girl having a bombs in the bag. She's a singer, she named Megan Thee Stallion, she's have red hair, white shirt, black pants, and red shoes. She's putting bombs anywhere in the city of Houston, Texas. All residents in Houston will lock all doors with tapes and towels. If she's breaking into the house, hide immediately. Stay tuned for more news and information for the local area. The following message is to Houston Police Department. At 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time, there are many reports the Megan Thee Stallion is driving the black car, she's playing the song named Body, and she's blasted in the car and driving around crazy, and she throwing bombs everywhere in the city of Houston. Also she's saying bad words like the F words, the N words, and more bad words. All residents in Houston will close all windows and doors with tapes and towels. If you in the outside, use the headphones that protect from blasting music in the car. If she's breaking into a home, hide immediately. The police is how to stop the crazy Megan Tree Station for terrorists to the neighborhood. Stay tuned for more news and information for the local area. The following message is to Houston Police Department. Looks like the popular singer called the WEKND calls the Houston police and shot Megan Thee Stallion with a gun for 3 times, and the police put Megan Thee Stallion in the jail for 8 months. You're the WEKND and the Houston Police Department. Thanks for putting the Megan Thee Stallion in jail for 8 months. We are not to exit the shelters. We are now to resume programming.
Notice they ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety.